Which is better for commercial HVAC in 2026? ServiceTitan, BuildOps, or FieldCamp? ServiceTitan wins mature platform breadth. BuildOps wins commercial service and construction depth. FieldCamp wins a configurable data model. The real test is which operating model stays clean as 10 technicians become 50, 100, then 200. Let's start with the commercial service. ServiceTitan can manage customers, locations, install equipment, service agreements, work orders, recurring billing, and multi-party billing. BuildOps connects agreements, PM schedules, assets, deficiencies, dispatch, and invoicing in a commercial-first workflow. FieldCamp connects the client to contacts, sites, equipments, service agreements, and the job schedule against those records. Which is best for commercial HVAC service agreements, equipment history, and preventive maintenance? BuildOps wins out-of-the-box commercial service depth. But now let's talk about projects. ServiceTitan supports project management, daily logs, RFIs, change orders, job costing, and project financials. BuildOps goes deep on project budgets, work in progress, crews, subcontractors, documents, and closeout. FieldCamp can model a project, phases, budget, contract value, retainage, percent complete, and scheduled work orders. Which is best for commercial HVAC construction project management? BuildOps wins when you need a mature, control, and real-time work in progress out of the box. ServiceTitan is closed for companies already inside its ecosystem. FieldCamp provides a configurable project spine, not a complete construction ERP. Which platform is most customizable? FieldCamp wins adaptability. In FieldCamp, the account can have connected contacts, a campus, things, mechanical rooms, equipment, agreements, projects, phases, and warranty claims. You can add fields, relationships, pipelines, and layouts without waiting for the vendor to make commercial HVAC work exactly your way. For example, if a PM visits a deficiency on chiller 1, you keep it tied to that asset. Route it through approval, create the estimate, schedule the repair, and preserve the history. At 10 techs, that removes tribal knowledge. At 50, it removes branch spreadsheets. At 200, it gives reporting and AI the same structured context. For operational flexibility, FieldCamp clearly wins. AI follows the same split. ServiceTitan's AI fits the ServiceTitan ecosystem. BuildOps Ops AI fits its commercial workflows and can help with field notes, summaries, purchase order capture, invoices, and scheduling. FieldCamp's advantage is that its command center and workflows can work with the objects you configured, such as showing equipment due for service or agreements approaching renewal. For commercial AI ready inside a pre-built platform, BuildOps wins. For AI working on a custom operating model, FieldCamp wins. Now pricing. ServiceTitan is quote-led. BuildOps uses a custom pricing based on field and office users, modules, trades, and integrations. FieldCamp publishes growth at $699 per month for 10 users and scale at $1,499 for 20. BuildOps says most implementations take 8 to 12 weeks, and any serious migration here needs planning. For transparency and a smaller team's ability to qualify the purchase quickly, FieldCamp wins. So, who should choose each platform? Choose ServiceTitan for a larger, mixed residential and commercial operation that wants a mature ecosystem. Choose BuildOps if you're commercial first, project heavy, and need service, work in progress, and construction controls together. But if you are around 10 techs, dispatch is not your main problem, and you need the operation to remain adaptable on the road to 200. I would choose FieldCamp. The reason is not generic AI dispatch. It is the connected and customizable data model underneath the AI. Before a 200 tech rollout, I would still validate permissions, integrations, reporting, migration, security, and support in detail. ServiceTitan wins ecosystem breadth. BuildOps wins commercial project depth. FieldCamp wins adaptable operations. Go to docs.fieldcamp.ai/data model and compare your real customer to site to asset to workflow before you choose. Be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.